Let's make twice-cooked pork with dried tofu.
Slice dried tofu. Cut garlic sprouts. Cook pork belly. Slice the cooked pork belly. Saute pork belly in hot oil. Add bean paste, a little sugar. Stir-fry dried tofu and the garlic sprouts. Add salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce. Done. Serve. So flavorful, perfect with rice.
Good.
Today I want to share with you 天人合一, harmony between humanity and nature. The core idea is that humans are an integral part of nature, not its master. Policies should seek to align human activities with natural cycles, not dominate them.